In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can download free and use this little application, which is called, well, it has a really strange name. It is SCRCPY. So it's a little bit complex to pronounce, but basically this is an open source screen mirroring app that is gonna allow you to duplicate your what you are seeing basically on your smartphone, on your computer as well. So to do that, you need to do some really easy steps. First step, of course, is to get the open source software. So if you scroll down a little bit, when you do a research, you're gonna scroll down. You can download this from SourceForge.net, but the original and official source will be on GitHub. So let's type here GitHub in addition. Okay, and you can click here. And from here, we are going to look for the zip file. So you can go here in the releases. Okay, and this is the version 1.19. Or we can go also back here in the previous page. And we can see if we scroll down a little bit. Well, you have also a lot of information here. Okay, if you scroll down, you will see the installation for Linux, Windows, and Mac. So in my case, I'm gonna go for Windows, and there you go. So you can also find it here. But I've also found the version 1.5 somewhere. Maybe it's in another place here. But well, you can use any of the release that you find. Okay, so what you need to do is basically download the zip file, and once you have downloaded, you will find it in your download folder. There you go. So I've downloaded many times. Okay, so I'm going to go here in the downloads folder, and I'm gonna open it from here, and this is all the package that you need. So what you can do is take all this stuff. Well, basically you need to extract it no matter how you do. I can also select everything, copy, and I'll place these. You can see here I have created a folder, and I will create a new one with you. So let's call this SCRCPY 1.9 and paste everything, or just extract it as you prefer. Okay, now all you need to do is to connect your smartphone with the USB cable, and when you will connect your smartphone, you're gonna read a message on using USB for transferring files. You need to say yes, so you need to transfer file from your computer to your smartphone. So connect your smartphone and your computer with USB, say yes to transfer files, and then the other step you need to do is to go into the settings of your Android and look for the debug in the settings, and look for debug USB, and go to the developer options, and you need to consent. You need to activate that function there. So you can also look for directly developer options. And if you find this difficult, please write in the comments, but it's really easy, and you will also find other suggestions if you navigate on the web. But if you find some issues, please write it in the comments, and also you can write suggestions for other users and create a community. So now that we have made all the steps and we have connected with the USB, and also we have activated the debug USB, all we need to do is to run the application. So we go down here in the folder and double click on the application. So double click there. This panel is gonna appear, And there you go. You should see your smartphone appearing. And this is all. So it's a really simple procedure once you understand these simple steps that you need to do, and that you will be able to have the mirror of your smartphone on your PC screen. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you want us to make more, please subscribe, support us by joining the channel. And again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video guide.